Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'll be going through the resume that I submitted in my application for Reliance GET. I was getting a lot of comments on resume, so I thought I'll put a video on resume as well. Yeah, so this is my resume actually. I hope it's visible on the screen. And so yeah, we'll go like first of all we'll go to the photo. So if you want, you can put your photo. It's not a mandatory field. I've put it. If you want, you can put it. If you don't, that's okay. Then first of all we'll put our name. Then the course that I did, that was BE Honors in Civil Engineering from BITS Pilani. Then your email. This is my university email. If you want, you can put your personal email if you're not applying if you're applying off campus, and then your CGPA and mobile number. Ideally, put the mobile number, which is your WhatsApp number as well, but that's not mandatory. Your mobile number that is active should be completely fine. Then, then coming to the academic details. So since this is a GD role, that is basically you are doing this right after your graduation, your first trying graduation from BTech. So putting your class 10th and 12th number would be relevant here. So course, specialization, institute or college, basically your school name, then the board or university through which you passed, then the score and the year of passing. So year of passing would for me for class 10 was 2017 and class 12 was 2019, along with the score whatever you had. Okay. And if you're applying off campus for this GD role, I would suggest adding one more row and put your academic details. In course you will put BTech or BE, whatever it is. Specialization would be civil engineering, mechanical engineering, whatever it is. Then institute or college name, whatever your college name is. Then board, I think you can leave it or maybe put the university name. Then in the score would be your CGPA and the year would be year of graduation. So in my case it would be 2023. Okay, now we'll go to the subjects or electives. Basically whatever subjects you have studied for civil. So I've added the core subjects like highway engineering, surveying, design of reinforced concrete, analysis of structures, soil mechanics, and then I've put some other subjects that I've did apart from civil engineering, which are fundamentals of finance and accounting and principles of management. So I thought this might be relevant to some of the civil companies. So I've added these two courses as well. Now coming to the technical proficiency. So whatever hands-on you have with any of the softwares like Google Sheets, MS Excel, I would suggest to put it in the resume. Even if you are an amateur, if you know the basics of it, that is also completely fine. You should put in your resume. The resume would be really good. So I've added R programming, AutoCAD, MATLAB, Revit architecture. So these four are completely civil related. Then some extra are Python, Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Sheets, SQL, Google Docs, and Microsoft Excel. So these are the tools that you can put in the technical proficiency part. Now coming to the summer internship or work experience. So since since you are applying for a GD role, you will most likely not have a work experience like a proper job experience. You might still have a intern experience. So I had an intern experience from AECOM. This is a good company actually. So I've added, like, it was a 2-month long project and it was divided into 2 parts. So I've just added 2 points of summarizing the technical report and consolidating the prime components of a tender document. So that's it. You need not describe it completely, like you need not write an essay. It should just be 2 points and it should be very crisp. Now talking about the projects. So there were 2 projects that I did in my tenure for civil engineering. These were 2 projects for 5 months, like a semester long projects of investigation on net zero energy and optimization of water distribution system. Both were relevant to civil, so I put it. And I've added 2 points, like very crisp and very short, whatever I did. And if they want, they can ask you, if you get selected, then they'll directly ask you in the interview. So you need not like completely focus it like deep down on this. So 2 points are sufficient, 2 or maximum 3 points, that should be sufficient. Now coming to position of responsibility. Basically, if you have different clubs or societies in your college, like there would be some Sanskrit club, music club, whatever, and if you are head of it, that is called basically position of responsibility. So I was the management head of Team Vulcan, which is basically the part of Baha Society of Automotive Engineers. So I was the management head, so I put down my resume of 4 points, like I led a team of 10 members and I managed 20 plus students in it, and whatever you did, you can basically add it. So that is that is something I added. If you have that, I'll definitely suggest you to add. If not, that's completely fine. You can skip this part. Then coming to the certification. So I was the member of American Society of Civil Engineers. It's basically just to need. So I was just a member. I used to receive articles on different industry trends and all. So that is it was it. If you have certifications of the softwares that were mentioned here, like in this section, that would be really great. That would really help it out. So you can put all the certification like 3-4 certifications, whatever you're done. If it's 2 or 3, that also works. I have put only 1, so you can anything above 1 is great. Now coming to the extracurricular activities, apart from studying, apart from civil engineering, you have your own life. Your life is not civil engineering, so you will have something else. Like you can put your hobby, you can put like whatever, singing, dancing, writing, wandering, whatever. You can put it over here, video game, whatever. You can put it up. So I used to blog on a website, and that website was made by me. So I added that in my extracurricular activities. So that's a good thing to add if you have done something apart from your civil engineering. Now coming to the volunteer experience, this I'm assuming not a lot of people will have. If you have added, it's great. If not, skip it. That's it. You need not worry about your resume a lot. Okay. So the next one is volunteer experience. So I was part of Society of Automotive Engineers. I was the management executive when I joined it, and I designed posters, implemented strategies for growth. And then the second one is Enactus. Enactus is also one of my club that was sort of a non-profitable sort of organization, similar to like NSS or something. There's like that is Enactus. And then in that also I designed some posters, then curated innovative ideas for social media. Basically, whatever you have done, you can add it and mention the duration till which you did it. And I think that's all about the resume. I hope this helps. And if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. I'll definitely try to reply. And if you like the video, so please hit the like video and please subscribe if you haven't already. And that was all I wanted to tell. Please put down any doubts in the comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.